Welcome to my channel, everyone, Cooking with JJ. My channel was formerly my name, with my main playlist being Vegetarian Cooking with JJ. I decided to simplify things. I'm still bringing everyone delicious vegan international cuisine recipes every Monday. However, I'm changing the airtime to 12 noon Eastern. I graduated from the Vegetarian Culinary Arts program at George Brown College, and I'm in my uniform right now just for the official introduction. However, I keep things super casual, approachable, and enjoyable for all cooking levels. So here we go. Woo! I need to keep this bowl underneath me, just for safety purposes. I added chili flakes to mine. Of course, that's up to you if you're a chili flake fan. Chili flake fan! Say that 10 times fast. I enjoy veganizing different recipes and putting my own personal spin on international dishes. With all the variety on my channel, I'm sure you'll find something that suits you. If you'd like to support my channel, subscribing is free. And I welcome you to like the videos that you watch and leave a friendly comment. If you know anyone who might be interested in these videos, feel free to share. These are all free and easy ways to show your support, and I truly appreciate it.